Assalamu alaikum. This Al Makina swing machine trading LLC. Anybody need the swing machine, steam iron? This is the overlock machine made in Japan. Made in Japan, original. And this is the DDL 3550N. Juki Corporation made in Japan, original machine. Anybody need the swing machine, steam iron, mini boiler? Contact this number. Al Makina swing machine trading LLC, Ajman, UAE. This is the Jonomi machine. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.